Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Today's video about my 16th vintage collection, rare and unknown model of Rallifan. This fan I have purchased from the market in burnt and abused condition. It has 4 blades with decorative shank. Windings are burnt completely. Here I have shorted the pole to check whether it is working. Both the red wire for running winding and both the yellow wire for starter winding. Here I got the shaft grinded from lathe. I have replaced the old bearing with new one. Still the stator has body leakage and loose winding, so it needs rewinding. Today I got the fan rewinded in perfect condition. Next I am going to assemble the fan. Fixed with down rod, and canopies are not original. Medallion I have purchased from the spare shop for the exact size of the thread, and it is not the original one.